What up, team? Run it up. So here's what it is. We are at Costco drop right now. We are at $94 before the drop. I've been running it up. I actually have a promotion right now for a guaranteed earnings of $76 if I complete 6 orders, right? So I've done 3 and we're sitting at 94 before Costco. Not bad. I would like to be over 100, but I'll take 94. Shit, I'll take that. So I'm gonna have a guaranteed earnings of $76 if I do 3 more batches. So what I'm trying to do is get that low Instacart pay and high tips right now. I mean, that's what we do anyways. That's what we want anyways. And low miles, so that I can benefit from this promo that they're giving me. So the Costco drop was a bust. It sucked. Nothing dropped, no good orders, but I wasn't gonna get hung up at Costco. I just swiped the 63 delivery only. Now, that may sound good, right? Delivery only 63, but it's a 4 people. So it's not too bad for how many people, right? 4 people, but the third person is 34 minutes away, the drive, 34 minutes. Oh my gosh. But it's all right because we have to do no shopping, right? So how I see it, it'll be equal to the time it would take to shop and order, right? And this is what we're looking at right now. Boom. It's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad. We're gonna load it up. Look at this, look at this, look at the boxes. I'm telling y'all, get yourselves some boxes. They come in handy. Let's get it. You had 9 what, 5? 9.5. 9.5. Yo, I was at 9.4 before the drop. He was at 9.5, but I got a 63 delivery. When I come back, you gonna have a banger. He's at 9.5 right now, which is sweet. He was $1 ahead of me, but I got this 63 delivery, so I'm in the lead. Hit the like. Oh my goodness.
Stay in the second lane from left.
Finally, we are pulling up in 7 minutes to our last house. 9 minutes away, 17 minutes away further, 24 minutes away further. And then the last house I'm delivering right now was 24 minutes coming back a little bit,
at the light,
but not quite. However, it's only 11:30, so it took me about an hour, right? Just a little bit, about an hour. $63, not bad. All right, so we back at it. You guys missed the 80 triple, far, really far, but it is what it is. I did it, bounced back, it had some lunch, and now we're doing a 50 double, which is also kind of far. I just had to come back to my car. What idiot leaves their phone in the car when they use their phone to do the work? But anyways, yeah, so I got a 50 double right now, and this one's far as well, but it's only 2 o'clock. This is gonna put me over 300 for the day, and it's 2 p.m. Let's get it. Team, run it up. I'm telling you, tomorrow y'all better wake up and get it early. Hey yo, team, run it up. We at 3:09 before 3:30 p.m. I'm gonna show you in a second. I just don't want to crash. Hold on 1 second. 3:09, look at the time. It's 3:16 p.m. and I'm at 3:09. We running it up today. Hi haters, hi haters, hi haters, hi. I done scammed my way to 3:09 before 3:30 p.m. I done scanned my way all the way here. That's what I done did. Yep, I did it. Be the best in your market. A lot of people here right now that I've been talking to at the store, they're only at like 190, if that. We ain't bragging. We just getting it. That's what it is, man. Motivation, you know what I'm saying? Like when you really go hard, I'm telling you, make Instacart your life. Do what you gotta do, like hustle. Like I didn't eat all day. Like I be fasting every day. To hit these numbers, I be fasting. I don't even stop to eat unless I pack my lunch in the morning. Other than that, it's hard to even eat. You know what I'm saying? So, and look, I got a big gallon of water right here. I'm telling you, this is how we do it. I might stop now. Because I got things to do. But, yeah, you already see what it is. Let's get it. Yo, bro, I came back, bro. You
got my bag.
I came back, bro. You was trying to go for that one too?
Yeah, try it.
Hey, yo, I was done. I was done at 2, but at 3:19 I was done. At 3:19, I was already at 3:09. But then what was this batch? How much was it?
35.
35?
Yeah.
So a 35 popped up while I was at home making food, and I had to swipe it. Yeah, man, I was done. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I just something's wrong with me. When you play this game enough, this Instacart game, you get addicted, man, just like anything else. And that thumb, my thumb is just automatic swiping. Like it just swipes on its own. Like I see something, I just have to do it. So 4 miles, $35, 4 miles. It's gonna be my last batch of the day. It's gonna put me at like 340, 3 something. We'll see if they have everything. I'll holler at y'all in a second. Peace, we out.
I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like rain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well, a penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy, the riches got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy. I ain't never switch up, whole team with me, putting on for my city like OAGZ. Set the pace as long as you finish, consumers find a way inside your business. Babble if they try to dabble in it and they hate the fact that they may have to witness. You tryna aim for the top like this, and you're in your element with a fire like this, and they hoping you fall and they praying you miss, but it's all in the risk I got.